articles. Now you tell me, do they exist in German, this Spanish or French?
Oh, yes. And they are a nightmare to learn.
Okay, then great. Now this articles is, we don't have this article thing in English. We don't have different forms of the, correct?
Yeah.
Yes. So the first type of article is my bestimmt article.
Oh, God.
Is it same?
I don't know. It doesn't have such a dangerous name. So, yeah.
Yeah, I can understand. No problem. So this bestimmt article is nothing but the of English. Okay.
Okay.
And one more shock, German has genders.
Yeah. He told me during the demo session.
Yes. So German has genders as in masculine, neutral, feminine. Only these three genders exist, but we have this plural case. Okay.
Okay.
Now for this bestimmt article, the table goes for the masculine one we use der,
There.
for neutral it is das, and for feminine and plural it is the. It is not die, basically it is the.
Yeah, he was talking about this, I think, on the uh, demo session.
Um, Maybe the other teacher took your demo. I didn't took the demo. Yeah,
No,
it
no.
is my first class with you. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it is der, das, die. Okay.
Yeah.
Now the meaning for four of them is the same, which is the. Okay. Now,
Okay.
where do we use this article? These articles are used with nouns. Okay.
Okay.
For example, the car, or the pen, or the lady, or let's say the books. I have used all the articles here. Now, car in German is called Auto. Okay.
Out.
Yes. And the article for this the, I would say the gender of this car is neutral. So it is das Auto. Okay.
Das out.
Yes. And the pen in German is, pen is Kuli, and the article that is fixed. Yes, and this article are fixed with noun. It won't be changing. For example, you cannot see der Auto or this feminine the Auto.
Okay.
Okay, obviously, when we are talking about plural case, it will be the only with all the nouns. But if any noun has is having their article, it won't be das or the.
Okay.
Okay? It is fixed, and the pen is kuli, and the article is der, the masculine. Okay,
Okay. There
and
could be.
lady in German is Frau. Okay, I guess
Wow.
in French, Frau is there, or Spanish.
Not for the word lady.
But they do have Frau. What for?
Yes. I
Frau
will
is
have to.
for.
I don't think it exists in French. It's in
Uh-huh.
Portuguese, I guess.
Portuguese. Okay. Now, yes, this is your feminine. Okay. Now this these articles, as in the lady is your female, so that's why it is the, and your male man, as in the man in German is called der Mann. So according to genders, it is not classified. Maybe, yeah, there is some exceptions out of this, as in man is male, that's why it is there, and your lady is female, so that's why it is the. But there is one exception out of this. Okay, I will tell you what is the exception now. This the books. It is your plural case, correct?
Yeah.
So it will be the, and the books plural is your Bücher.
Pure sure.
Yes. And if I talk about the singular book, it is das. the neutral one, das, and it is book.
Das Buch.
Correct. And it is not pronounced as booch, it is book.
Buch.
Okay. Now you tell me, the girl. What could be the article for girl?
Die.
No, it is das. It is the exception for the articles. Okay. It is
Okay.
das, and girl in German is called Mädchen.
Mädchen.
Yes. So the girl in German is das Mädchen. Okay.
Das Mädchen.
Yes. Now, I will. Uh, have you learned this article? It is simple. Der, das, die.
Okay. Der,
Okay.
das, die.
The, yes, and it is your masculine, neutral, feminine, and plural. Now, this
Okay.
bestimmt article is your basic table. Okay, every noun in German, so basically in the class we will be doing the vocabulary in a very good way, as in we will be focusing more on the vocabulary part. Okay, no doubt we will be doing the grammar also, but vocabulary will be the main focus. Okay,
Yes.
now every noun in German, you will see when we will be doing the vocabulary. Every noun in German will either have der article, das, or die. Okay.
Okay.
Every noun in German revolves around these three articles only.
Understood.
Yes. Now coming for the next type of article, we have three types of articles in German. So the next type of article is called unbestimmt Artikel. Okay.
Bestimmt.
Article. Now, this bestimmt article in English is called definite article. Article. And this unbestimmt article is your indefinite article.
Indefinite article.
Yes. And it is nothing, it is a or an of English.
Okay.
Okay. Again, we have what was the genders in German?
Masculine,
Mhm.
neutral, feminine, plural.
Correct. Now, for masculine, what was the bestimmt article?
Der,
Mhm. And for neutral,
das,
correct. And for feminine and plural,
die.
the, and the. Now you tell me, do we use or and on in plural case?
No.
Yes. So in unbestimmt article, we don't have plural case. Okay, we only have masculine, neutral, and feminine. And it's not like in German you will be having nouns with articles of unbestimmt article. No, it will be der, das, die only. Okay.
Okay.
Now this masculine is your ein. Neutral
Ein,
is also ein, but
ein.
with feminine we just add an extra e.
Okay.
So it is
I've,
eine.
einer.
Yes. Were you saying something?
Yeah, I did this on Duolingo like long time ago.
Oh, okay. Great. Yes.
Einer.
Now you will translate this word in using this unbestimmt article, okay? The book and let's say, oh, sorry, it will be a car, a book, and a pen. Now, how do we use this unbestimmt article? Car in German is what is the word for car?
Auto.
Correct. Auto. Now, how do we use this unbestimmt article? First, we will see what is the article of noun. What was the article of noun? As in, what is the article of car? Auto.
Das.
Das. So it is das auto, correct? Now,
Yes.
if I want to say a car, so I will use this neutral one. Why neutral? Because the article of the noun that I'm using is your neutral, the das one, correct?
Yeah.
So it will be ein Auto. Okay.
Ein Auto.
Now try for this one book.
Eine Buch.
Eine, why? It is das Buch.
Oh God. Ein Buch.
Yes, it is die Bücher. It is for your plural. Okay,
Yeah.
and this is your singular case.
So ein Buch.
Yes, correct. Ein Buch. And this one, a pen.
Ein Kuli.
Correct. It is ein Kuli. Any doubt with these two?
I've understood.
Okay, great. Now we have the third and the last type of article, which is your negative article, as in the negative
Negative.
article. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so basically it is your no of English. Okay. Now again we have masculine, neutral, feminine, and plural. Okay. Here we use plural. Now for plural, for this negative article, it's just simple. Just add k here. Okay. So it becomes your kind. Neutral is also kind. Feminine is also kinder. It is small e, and kinder, as in adding an extra e. Okay. So it is
Okay.
your kinder, and kinder.
Keiner. Keiner.
Kinder. Okay. Let's say, for example, just one no book. So it will be, what will it be?
Kein Buch.
And this kind is of masculine one or neutral?
Neutral.
Correct. It's neutral. It's das, and there it's for masculine. Okay.
Yeah.
And the plural. Have you written this down?
Yes.
Okay. So any doubt with today's class?
No, I think I've understood.
Okay. So it was easy for you basically.
It was okay. I can't say
Okay.
easy.
As in kind of familiar. It
Yeah,
was
familiar.
nothing new to you.
Yeah, it's easier than I imagined in my head.
Uh-huh.
So it's better, I feel.
Okay. It's, yeah. So it's obviously the advantages. Okay. Now we will end this class, today's class, and we will meet on next class. Okay.
Okay.